mình trang aron chua cái này à vài ngày motor thì sắp trong asin cái to el thì đây sắp trong asin nghe vài ngày man tập tự doan nghe tiếng motor thì lâu thì room phun to lại tiếng thì lâu nghe tiếng bass thì nghe tiếng sweet home thì lâu mo nghe tiếng phone thì ritling palai tiếng thì lâu tiếng kan ti don tak tak ani chuanin mo mi zo tong dik tak i mang bik lo i tu ma hai mang bik lo ra re chu va enge mi zo tong he man dan dikin kan mang ri lo ni chuan sap tong a pol dal kha chu ni thiam lo chin an omani pon shit thiam na nei veng u hay in lai ngam ni sap tong thiam veo thì lampang ani lo ma se ale lama zonin athazok chu in shil tur ani ya ma se indiscriminate nan in che lampang hoi nan khati han hey va man ai zuan mi ka thak dang lam thei lo ma se kan ka ngai dang ka soi thei chu ka ngai dan ni chu chuan sap trong in trong ani chuan eng agan nal tral pon soi lamo amoi vai ho pon mo in di thong dong ge ya meron ting ka chat don ge men ti hian hi iron comment ve du ka lom etiang ge ron ti te etiang ai iron comment ve du reng ka lai fai ron tel ve reng ka lom tak set chon chu ta chu mai ni lawin a en mai bo du to ko lawin i comment i tei ma ka di ka lom tu hate no hate takin kalom tak set haters te song po haters te chu hate tu bon nei vecta mi lo ngai thadu lawa se la chho man lo ti ni pon satanic mai te po min dia ma se ron comment pe YouTube pa te india kalom I'm very happy that you guys can I join 5 seconds bro yes what mizo ni wanga mizo kher man ngai lo thiam nam dong tan respect nan adik che mizo hi trong dang po an thiam ve the ni ti lan tir nan hian tian vai trong te mizo trong te kan lo thiam ani chon nam dang te mi kan min ngai sa na tur so kan ya tha mem inu dam lo se hospitala Mizoram hospitala khianin Mizoram dam doi ina khian enkol thai lo ta se New Delhi ri farangai ni chu hei chu anti New Delhi chuan zukal nge ma se sap trong i thiam lawa vai trong i thiam lawa nge ti don a thiam tho ni lo mi roi don ni to maro ngay to chat maro logic ani reality thut hey khovel taka cheng ro a practical law mizo trong hey thiam lutu kan oma chu tem mizo trong hey chung te wanga engen yang sailin na wang sap trong thiam law te po a poi chung law mizo trong i thin ni ne so ni jon atha i thiam chun po kan ne dawin thiam ro chu po chu nakina hey sap trong thiam mai se mizo trong chu tiang a thiam chalu tuk lo te pon nakina an la zot ve cha o chu tiang khaten chu min shil ro ta chu ni shil to na thiam bel dong lom enge poi na che thiam em thil hi coexist tu ra ni chuan chuanin pakhata chuan a thima chuan a eng po a inkar po engkim hi adum le avar ani lo a grey shang grey dum deu lekte grey a tlema la var deu lekte tikhanin rong shang adum le avar in kara hianin rong shang chu khovel ani thente chu wa chuan khong takin ilo in soi sen ni pon iril ruwa soi mai ro tram mi ron divide su mi zo vek kan ni silent nai nang lo ni mai mi zo ram nge ya chunga po hianin kan geographical land enge kan silent na te nisa kan do na sa do na sa lawem ti ringawt awang ten mei chetam tak no sut thei chuan khaman na thok te su ten hei i an vun te pu angau kher lo thei silent nazir chu conditioning ani chu ma chuan chu o angau e mai chu tiang khatian chu phát ti ringawt không zoom lo chuan in thil hriat thiam lo na kha in hreton ro i thil hriat thiam lo kha i thil hriat thiam lo wang khan adik lo ni kher lo vazir chiang ro a din huna va om chin la chuan i ngei dan chu ta ilak it ka ngei dan kala keng don tho iti ni chuan kha chu i thu mà sẽ mi bula soi thiệt cái là ngay lâu in ngày tháng này mày ô ăn sữa hầu lứt thu in ngày tháng anh ấy bảo cái nên mi giống ngày tháng à cái nên em mi giống ngày tháng này cái khá chú lâu in giá tôn lâu mà ni opinion rong te in giá tôn ang u nghe mi đắng tiếng khát tiếng sao trong những thiểm mấy tiếng khát tiếng hàng tỷ rẻ là thiên trà này respect tôi không thấy lâu biết chủ này rồi đấy mà tụi em salmon đấy thì box here mà sẽ nổ cái box here hey hi cái mà hey television à te lệ chú trong à tem mình lâu về thủy na mà sẽ tầm zo cái tiếng hay cái live hay mình rồi một thì mấy hay interview na cái đàn thì hey cái mà tóc tóc này cái là dấu trong page chú mình dấu ram chú ở bao này nó như này nhỉ mấy rồi chú nhỉ mình dấu trong hi cái một xịt lâu mỗi cái gì mình dấu trong hi mỗi tỷ lâu vì là mình dấu là cái rồng phù mi là mi dâu kan iwang mi dâu la pho ani nai amoi ka ti ya ka pho ani mi dâu trong hi tam tak hey mi dâu trong thiama chuan mi nghe man lai trong upa kan tiang chi te a om le a chuan trong upa pia lama poetry metaphor sa trong kan tiang chi entirna la thu entirna ne ya an phuang chi te a om ani chu nam zong zong nan nei lo not is a po hianin tam tak chuan nei an nei lo chút tiền chút mình dâu trồng cái này á hậu sa hậu sắc nạ cho nó hậu sa background ra nào cái gì darker chân mình thôi còn chân đó nữa bro yes anh đi cắt lốp yes hello oh what I believe is that everything has a positive side and a bad side. I mean, maybe not everything, but many things in this world. The world was not supposed to be about strongism and strong idealism and stuff like that. It works in balance with something else. For example, you take vitamins every single day because the doctor says it's good for you. Everybody knows that without vitamins, your body will start to not function at all. But do you know that overtaking those vitamins can also kill you? And over-idealism has killed so many people. Fascism, I think that it's good in some ways. But then, if you take it to the extreme, you'll become Hail Hitler! If you take democracy and if you, let's say, many democratic countries are almost about to go dictatorship. Now, I don't want to talk about politics, in my opinion. That's not my cup of tea. But all I'm trying to say is, everything has a side, everything has plan A and B and then all that. So please let us not judge ourselves too quickly. Okay? That's all I just wanted to say. I said it! A bottle of water. How many times do you want me to say it? Jump scare your mum and she will grab a slipper or a pan and throw at you. R.I.P. HOM, fly high, HOM. What the hell? So how's that supposed to mean? Wait, somebody wanted to join me. What, you guys wanted to come on live? You wanted to speak to me for a bit? I said it. Please say a bottle of water, bro. A bottle of water. A bottle of water. Can you tell me your deepest, darkest secret that you've never told before? I'm sorry, this isn't this is a platform to not talk about those stuff. I don't really want to be able to intrude on my personal life. If you know me personally, I'll tell you. Hi. What, you guys? Do you want to be a part of the video? Bro should be my teacher. I'll never be absent. I'll always take the attention, bro. Goslu, do you have any questions for me? I think I really can't do anything by myself. Are you Mizo or yes, I am Mizo. I am 110% Mizo. My first man crush. Don't look back in anger. Oasis. So Sally away. What was it? Was that the lyrics? She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. I don't know the lyrics. Can you please repeat the book that you recommended last time? Atomic Habits. Okay. I think that I need someone. Do you guys want to be a part of this video? Please. Please, someone. I don't have a specific taste. So, go ahead. Go ahead. I mean, digitally, I am your boyfriend. Even if... Do I sound... I don't know. I don't want to sound bad or anything. I just wanted to let you know that... Where's my humility? Good night or good morning or whatever. Good. Yeah. Good everything. Good morning to the people. Good night to the people as well.
Of course, this is the best show in the
Yeah, digital boyfriend. Can I say you're my boyfriend? Yes, of course. Everybody can say that I'm your boyfriend. I mean, kind of am, you know. I mean, Joseph is I think a personal thing that I am, but I think HOM is everybody's. HOM is everyone's. My head hurts quite a bit. And hyped. Ox or bite me. And hype. Okay, okay, we'll do. And hype. Cialifeed Eminem, please sing. Oh my god. What is that? Any chance getting a new piercing? Nah, my mother don't like me doing a lot of piercings, but I have a lot of piercings actually. I have it here. This is one that I will not remove by any chance. I have it two here, two here, two here. But I only wear this and this. That's all that my mother allows me to. I'm not living with my mother anymore, but that's just how it is. Respect your mother. You just said HOM is my boyfriend. My ex is going to come find you. Okay. Fine. I'll sing him a lullaby and then go sleep if he's mad or something. You know, I can soothe him, you know? I can be his therapist, maybe. The eyebrow one is cool. Thank you so much. Another like 10 minutes and then I'll go. I'll go to work. Okay? Please say a bottle of water one more time.
Oh, boy.
A bottle of water. A bottle of water. Can you pass me the bottle of water? What you want to say? Can you pass me the bottle of water? Where's my chocolate? Where the hell is my freaking chocolate? I think my sister took it. Did you see any chocolate by any chance over here?
No.
Bro, I had a big ass chocolate. Where did it go?
Big ass.
An kidnap che motia ati lai khan kalau ngai tua lutuk che kidnap ani lawa vut ingat tinge oh khatit lo leng ya ka kut kain huam dian kami trailer tan khan kami khati angai china timen ka concept khan ka conceptualize tan izo. I need to write down those books you recommended all. Okay, yeah, please do so. The fact that we're all gonna get dark circles tomorrow and we'll have to use makeup because we'll look like zombies. Fun fact, I like girls with dark circles. I think they're very cute. Yeah, I like girls with dark circles. Can I video call you on my birthday? I really want you to sing for me. Yes. Will do. Inindangami, babe. Oh, ano daw may do you play Roblox? I used to play Roblox when I was younger. When I was like 15, 16, I loved Roblox. So you won't miss my art? Yeah, sure thing. Oh my god, please don't spam it. I can read it. Ping pui kalum don lo en le don. Okay. Very nice. The Misfits band Duvem. Duve.
Sweet lovely day.
No, 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 no.
I'm waiting for your breath.
No, 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 no. Movie la țawng pem ka shalo le. Role te min pek chuan ka țawng pek. Main role. Hey, plot ang zu kan ni pe to lo. And what do you play now? As in like instruments? Oh, what games? I play, I don't know, GTA 5. I play Ghost of Tsushima. I play Elden Ring. An impersonation of Youngblood. No, I can't do that. Somebody loves somebody. Do you know what I mean? I can't really talk like this because I don't know what people will say. That's what I like it. Somebody said that. Do you know what I mean? I think that's how it speaks, isn't it? Dinge itiar dumia lawa ivas walve en todo cloute. Come over, Jalam. I am depressed, sir. Please don't be. I love you, and what you're going through is a phase. I know that everybody tells you that, but let me tell you like this. It will never end. That's just how life is going to be. But your wager, why do you have to wager it like heavier than all of the happiness that you have received? Just remember that time passes. Everything you know, every time that you have faced will pass away. One day, your happiness will pass. Your sadness will pass. Everything will pass. So what truly matters is how you spend it. Even in the most hardest situations, just know that you matter. And what you do will impact on how you feel. My ex broke up with me because he cheated. Wait, you broke up with him, right? Please tell me you did. Everybody has the option to cheat. And that's why I used to say, bro, listen carefully, okay? Please, you need to know this. Listen to me. This is very important, okay? Love, mangay nahi emotion anilaw. Kangay dana chuan. Kay chuan katilaw. Love is not an emotion. It's a commitment. Mistar tatro idulutuk ta ni. Chuan idulutuk ta chuan enge bial nu bial pa in law ni ta ni. Chuan tikhanin law ni ta sumiwa chuanin midang kha star to don lo ti na ni lo. Mel thati po ila nei le zel don thau thau. Chu khavel da nan ni. If a date midang su o mel chai tiang ma se if a date kelo mai te ma se a possible thau dina ni chu chi kha en tiklai pon option a om thau thau I mangai ber bula pom la chuma chuan mangai nati hi commitment ani I loyalty test na ni ya chuwan chuan midang po star don mai la ani nen hian kum tluanin ama hi kum tluangin apula ka omanga I kakalsan lavanga I enge kadam chungin enge ama tahi ganito to na ni tina thinlunga zo kha mangai na ni kha mindset zo kha mangai na chu ni oh love is not an emotion Emotion ani chuan Mga inga don tuk star inga don tuk star zong kha irilru duk duk kron ti thei effect zong kha chu ibial pa mga effect na ni don se no plutonic attraction ani chu ha chu hey attraction chu kan nei effect I zong te po kan nei effect attraction, what you mean is love. Wait, let me explain. Love, you said love is start from emotion. Without emotion, it can't last long. Commitment is next step. Actually, what you mean is love is not actually the first step. Love is actually the final step. Emotion, for me personally, what I feel like, emotion, chuan tuna love iti kha chu ke chuan attraction ka te. Attraction to first step ani chuan chu attraction chu enge ngai nei in chan ta ni chu ngai nei ti khanin hey thi granted talak ni lovin ngai nei ti chuan hey at lo se kanu na van ruak em tiang ang kha chuan ngai nei chuan amma bula comfortable to chuan in hey Zingkara hay mail se da mit tene mo mit tene te po asa thak to lo na china oma ti khan huna local se la chon to pa chon commitment to chi chu wa chon I commitment kha I mangai lan tir na lian ber ani chi Bro, what's wrong? I can't send you the art. There's no button for sending pictures. It's down there, I think. He broke up with me, and how I feel like I don't feel any feelings for anyone anymore. I see humans, men. I developed an high ego, and I don't plan on stepping down anyone, and that I am way better. Well, to put it into perspective, I think that is what we would say when we're tired. That expression is called tiredness. You are tired of having an extreme expectation from someone who is going to hurt you again. If you have built something and somebody just comes and destroys it, you would be tired and without motivation, and then you won't have the strength to rebuild it again. You have physical strength, you can do so, but it's just that you're mentally so tired that all the work that you put in is being destroyed, and now you feel desperate and tired and empty. And you may call yourself, you may say, I'm numb. Those are the feelings. But just know that being tired and saying that, okay, I give up, doesn't really change anything. It only stops you from moving forward. I know it's going to be hard and painful and all that, but that's just how life is. If you are going to find happiness, the possibility of finding it again and to find the right one is always ahead, not behind or where you were standing. So flow like the river and learn from the mistakes. You don't need to have expectations, but keep on moving. Don't search for it. Finding a boyfriend isn't like searching. It's in it's in what, oh my god. Yeah, it's in everything. Yeah, that was what I was trying to say. Anyways, I was reading this comment. God love is emotion, right? Because we can't see or touch him. It starts from emotion. Well, you can't touch commitment either, is it? Look. Yes, in one perspective, you can say that love is an emotion. Like I said, it's my thing. It's what I believe in. And if God said he loved me, he actually didn't say that. The way he showed his emotions. Remember how he showed his emotions. But here in Hanoi, na cái anh nghe lần tiền khá rồi. Cảm ơn anh tìm mấy lộc. Phụ bận phụ bận mal này cho nó bể chế á. Chuan ta na thi á. Chuan khắc cái commit này. Cảm ơn anh na cái khan commitment là rồi này. Cảm ơn anh sẽ en rồi. Chuan bể chế á. Kan ta na thi á. Chuan thi nu phê à bọn tụi khen hiền in Adam lại chung trong khoan dữ chiang kì. Oh, Chris, hey, religious đâu so khát chung biết in ada bọn ngay khá so cho cái tâm lúc tu lâu à, mà sẽ bắt thiên mọi người nát bộ commitment thấu. I love you đi đúng không thì emotion đúng không chú love emotion cái này hi hay chú attraction, chuan chú I love you. Tipo empty daw na soy thay. Kamangay sa tipo empty daw na soy thay. Mo, chuan mi pon kamangay sa anti i-feel mi alaw thay. Chuan mangay na hi emotion ani ringot chuan. As zau de. Chuan i-feel ringot ta zau de. Chuan tak chuan i-commitment khan in mangay na ka alan ti. Ani that's what I feel. Tutu mase ani tutu ring burro ka ti chuang lo nia. Contemporary pop star ve ho kan ni re bo hai life coach kan ni lo life coach kan ni ma se tutu ki chu ka ngai da na ka soi mai chawani. A chan chu kho ve la hanin ka mangai le tu che India an mangai kum khuang in ka mangai yang che ti hi thathum bak dai lo. Su dai su an tam le tu chu fang chuan commitment del lâu rồi những mga inaka piu diam lâu su ni 10 more minutes or dar song pani sẽ kan ta don ya masek kasoy tong khan ring bursu engkim internet ay bui ring bursu kay po min ring bursu ang ay dan may niya kasoy ni oh tattoo courses. Oh my god, the man I have a crush on and gave me false hope. I'm still very disappointed. Well, yeah, like I said, that always remember that until you reach the point of like commitment, you aren't actually in love. You are in attraction with each other. You have plutonic love, or what we call it, attraction. It goes away, okay? It goes away. Like the feeling that you have, like let me ask. Ina soi tak ro ro cho kan soi lok nga. Thiang no ngai to mala mi start ta ni. Chuan start ta I du tuk ta a chuan I mu pon hei thina phu tut mo hei I en ngam lo ta I zak ta ni ti khop chuan in van do mi po ka en ngam lo chuan star burtani mase ama pon alo star ve to ta chen chuan relationship ai non om ta chu ta chuan mangai na ni don mase chu khata khan ani chuan khatianga I feeling I ma a I crush ani la ya khatianga I feeling long ka chuan are ta ve om to lo I du thau mase khatiang khan hei heart skip beat ti te khatiang song ha I kal san vek ani chuan I mangai to lo ti na mi zo chero mangai emotion sang iron ya shy happiness joy mo sadness in kim ka I feel vek chuan in love chu ke ma chuan ka ngai na chuan emotion ai ma chuan commitment ani I commit lo chuan how can you say love if you don't fight for your love? Yeah, I'm about to. I think I'll have to go very soon. I can't send you the art. You don't accept the chat invitation. Okay, I will do that as soon as I'm done with this. Okay. Oh my god. There's some water. Can you pass me the bowl of water?
Whoa, where is it?
I think it's back there. Ricky has it. I think. Should I go? Raymond! Make runt videos. What does that supposed to mean? I don't know. Like ranting, like. Nikadar kar engzange book here na ni man ang sar. How many hours do you have time for? Bro, look at that. This is the entire book. Here is a book. That's it. Phone ina gamit ti na chuan. That's here right. Zana mudona de. Mase bookworm di duruju kanila. Hey phone trip bluetooth feeling at nga chuanan ka monting. Phone hi zeblo chuan hey Instagram reel te mo at time pass ta chuan that rual in mi ti chau thina. Phone hi ten dar ka khatok te ten ti la to pa chuan nang hi chau dai mem. Maklu du. Chu a jong ka khoi lutuk du lo thina. WhatsApp number này ta po in lo man is one in got text. Hey, in text po kalau mula mấy thea mình đâu sẽ thiam. Mula mình ngay đâm sam mula. Thành chu cái phone hi quite card về ni. Teacher, why do people cheat? Like even having one moron is hard to handle. Why do people cheat? That's a very interesting question. Why do people cheat? I think the reason is because we can. Simplest way I can tell you is people do stuff which is crazy. People do, like, let's say, your doctor told you not to eat something, but since it's tasty, you still do it anyway. Number one. Number two, people in economics we read human wants are unlimited. Okay? We can never stop wanting something. We're never like, oh, katuto ke. So, hey, that feeling of like when you already have someone, mase till exciting ka idule tani so meeting new person hey ka at year lampanga introduction vela katiang section vela katiang feeling ka normal tia chon ka excitement ka thrill ka ni man chi tan so. And then number three, because people get fed up with other people. Oh hey yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. Anyways, so țawng those are the three main points that I can point out, I think. And personally, I think that because, well, oh my god, I don't want to go to that. I think that may be really controversial. Is it because of phase two? It can be face, it can be body, it can be very physical, and it can be very emotional too. Very, very complex. Like, for example, a man, I know it sounds crazy, makpointe may te chonin in homai te boka. Mase mipa hianin achit hian mangai rang chung chepon achit thei tho. So achit nu thì mấy anh ai du mang cái tiếng gì du em chung sẽ pon emotionally cho nang ma chia are available chung pon mi dang kha sex man pui thai thau chu wan chuan ne mi pa hian mei ten mei thin ma na te pu chuan ma safe mei chia ero chuan an thei ve lo chuan chu physically pon mi pa hian engwang nge ti chuan scientifically explain don chuan an soi lok ange mi pa hian in kan thlu ga hian in hey ti mayang the standard of akan soi siang kan dole ma se anyways education purpose ni ya chu ba chu mi lo thiam bro the process of ejaculation hian mi pa hian in dopamine hi an ti chuak kher lo thei dopamine chuak kher lo pon an stimulate thei an ti ani chu ka chia na chuan whereas mei chia chuan ani lo first chuan second of all mei chia chuan in emotionally an connect in awangin the hey lo du mi lo po an nu wa hey chu nel pe ten lo ti na chat chin na chan hi he mi wang te po hi ani mai ka ring conspiracy chuan ma se mi pa chuan kha emotionally ni lawa physically chia attraction ni awanga lo ti te po anom thin tu ko sai zoi ni zu dating case tu ma se again personal opinion but that is just one book one piece Solomon solo home so itu mga may ano mo okay that's all panir chia to so na jogan da to nga that is all the time I have for today. Next time, if you guys want to have any don't stay up too late every night because you will suffer early from memory loss and the homies won't allow that. Right. But though I'm not really an early bird, even though I sleep less. I mean, even if I sleep more. So forgive me for that. I sleep 9 hours a day and at night, I guess. Anyways, that is all the time I have for today. I will maybe live as soon as I can again. But for the time being, that is all. Now Raven and I will go to do stuff. And if you guys need any help regarding like emotional support, I may not be the right guy to ask, but I can definitely share you some of my personal experiences. So if you guys want to hear that, I'm always here for you guys. Okay? All the homies and all the people who are just starting to listen to my music, my fan base or my fan club is called Homies because I'm HOM. I know, it's pretty clever. I didn't name them. They named themselves, which is even clever. So, for the people who are just finally seeing me for the first time, I'm HOM. This is my life. Don't usually sing. I'm always just, blabbering about life and stuff. If you guys are having problems that you want to sort out, if I can be of any help, I will always be there for you. Okay? In tan, lâu rành thầy lâu mấy là, cái lâu lần xin ăn xuống, số này những vấn đề này xuống, lấy một cái không rành thì cả, sai tụi I love you so much. Bye. When do you usually live? I live at night time. Okay. So, anyways, I love you. Bye bye. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye bye.